Okay. Alright.
You sure is it a new one?
No, it's old.
Maybe I don't remember.
We heard it at Chance and Denise rehearsed
I don't
it.
remember what the hell it talks about, but I remember it was funny.
Okay.
Bar was closing.
Yes, I know it.
10 a.m.
Yep.
It's okay.
I've been hanging with Jack and Jim. Those two have a way to make a fat girl look slim. And don't you know, they done it again.
Yeah, buddy.
I saw a good, she caught my eye.
Yeah.
Surfing down some chili cheese fries.
Yeah.
I slapped her bottom as she passed by. Saw that sparkle in her eye. I said, hey, they calls me D. You look like something I like to squeeze. I don't have any STD. I got papers if you like to see. She said, sure, they call me Monique. I caught you checking out my physique. I got skills and they're quite complex. See, I was born without a gag reflex. Ow! I said, damn, your place or mine? She said, yours would suit me fine. Cause right now I'm a living behind a pork rind factory. The two big bouncers helped me load her in the bed of my
Let's do it again, Dee.
I thought, damn son, you're in love.
Yep.
And she said, hey, if I get stuck, just drop this tailgate in and here we can.
Come on, Dee.
So I drove home at 95. Slid in the drive with the power slide. I dropped my britches and a man alive. I stuck my pecker right between the thighs. With a mouthful of titty and a handful of ass. She started squealing and passing gas. Us two were sure of having a blast. Right there as all them cars drove past. Next morning, it's 10 a.m. I woke up late next to him. He said, hey, my real name's Jim. Then asked me what's for breakfast, Slim. But I said last night I thought I was in your hole. He said, no, I don't think so. See, he was humping on a jelly roll. I seemed like it, so I let you go. All of a sudden I felt kind of sick, wondering where had he hid that old dick. I do remember that bush was awful thick, and I threw up and his ass I did kick. That's my story, sad but true. You gotta do a pecker check before you screw. And you'll know that if you do, these sort of things will never happen to you.
Woo!